afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Valentine Mbamalu. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Valentine Group of Companies and our subsidiary company, Valentine Homes and Interiors. Today I bring you fantastic news, great news concerning what's going on in TOV Homes. Recently, we launched a very beautiful masterpiece called Plus Lagos. Plus Lagos is in the heart of Abidjan, a very dynamic, beautiful estate, launched to give a plus to the beauty of Lagos. Now, I want you to follow me and journey into the amenities in Plus Lagos, starting from the beautiful, serene environment to the beautiful electricity, 24 hours electricity supply we're going to be having in Plus Lagos, to the gigantic resort called Plus Resort Center, something you have never seen in Africa. Something you have never seen in Africa. The last time I visited Australia, I saw a beautiful masterpiece of an antique underground restaurant, and it was so beautiful to the extent that you will not see the beginning and the end. I thought about it, I engaged with them, so we can do this in Africa. Therefore, Plus Lagos is happy to announce to you that we're going to be hosting the biggest, the most finest resort in Africa called the Plus Resort Center in Plus Lagos, Abidjan. What are you waiting for? Launch now and join us in this wonderful commercial and residential estate called Plus Lagos. Do it now and you will thank me so much later. Thank you very much. And before I forget, don't forget we are just running a promo, 500 square meters, 47 million naira, dash, free. Our neighbors are doing 75 million, we are doing 47 million. Is that not wonderful? And our 300 square meter is 29.5 million. What are you waiting for? Come and join me. Let us experience the aquatic resort in Plus Lagos. Thank you so much. As you journey, and we journey together into this amazing estate, Plus Lagos.